Now it's going up, up. That's it. Needs a little help. She brought her own. Apparently not used to riding in the gravel. Nah. I don't know. Okay. Okay for running, but not for pulling. Not ready to pull. Okay. Okay, now let's see who's next. Alright, who are they going to put now? Okay, here comes the next fella. He's ready to pull. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Oh, he's just a spinning. Come on, get going, go, go, go. Woohoo, look at that, whoa. Look at that. Front wheels are really going. And some Tiger in his tank. Whoop, 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 whoop. Wants to play. And the other one right there is just going back and forth. Just playing. Alright, and he's a parking. Alright, who's going next? In the wrong spot. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, crash, 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 crash. Round and around and around he goes. Will he get himself back up? Like a Dougie on the side. Almost had it. Get up, get up, get up. Come on. Ah. Just went off on the other side. Yay! Where'd he go? Oh, he's back on the dirt here. Alright. Back right there. Alright. Whoops. Got somebody else on there. Ready to go. He's not going nowhere. So full of dust, you can't even see much of them. Oh my goodness, when the dust settles, you'll see him. There he is, right there. And that one's just a little show off there. Cute little remote controls, aren't they? Seems like he's always digging in the sand, that one. All right. Alright, he's got to hook him up. There he goes. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yoo-hoo! Let the dust settle and you'll see him again. There you go. All right, cool. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me. Join me as a friend. Bye-bye now.